The
Sure.
definition of marriage was agreed 81-19 in your state in the passing of the constitutional amendment. Times have changed, as they did with slavery, and the population no longer feels the same way. And even in your state, people no longer feel the same way. You are clinging to a definition that you believe is divine. You said it in your letter to the governor. But you know that divine basis.
You're incorrect.
I'm reading it. I'm reading
incorrect.
it. I'm reading it right here.
You're incorrect.
How so?
Well, you want to hear my answer? Or do you want to keep talking?
Yes, sir. Please. I'm done talking.
Okay. 81% as recently as 2006 said it was the definition. They haven't changed their opinion. The only thing that's changed is one federal judge has come in and tried to force upon this state something which she cannot do. Her opinion is not law.
Your Honor, what this comes down to is you didn't have to do this. You've created a basis to do it, but you didn't have to do it.
I had to do this.
You had to do it because it matters to you personally. This is just like the Ten Commandments situation. You were told by the federal courts, remove the Ten Commandments from the public square. You didn't want to, and you wound up losing your job because of it, but on principle, you felt you did the right thing. Isn't that true?
On principle, I did the right thing, but it's not about the Ten Commandments, and it's not about my feelings. It's about the law. And my law, the Alabama law,
you said that then as well, Your Honor.
Administrative officer. I said the chief administrative officer of the judicial system, and I must act when the jurisdiction of the probate courts is interfered with by one lone judge who has no power or authority to tell them how to interpret the federal Constitution.
But this is exactly how discrimination got removed in states like yours. District courts putting through rulings that the states then had to enact.
Nobody's arguing about racial discrimination in this case. This is not about racial discrimination.
It's about discrimination.
It's about sexual preference.
It's about discrimination.
Overcoming an institution which has existed in our state, in our United States, for centuries. And I think it's wrong.
If the Supreme Court causes it to be stare decisis, and we both know what that means. The case is decided, and the law is that you cannot discriminate against people on the basis of their sexual orientation in marriage. You will
let me ask you something.
Will have to follow it, will you?
Let me ask you this, Chris.
Yes, sir.
Would you have followed the order in Dred Scott saying that black people were property, or would you have followed the order in Plessy versus Ferguson, which said that separate but equal was the policy of the United States? Can you answer that, please?
Your job as Chief Justice is to administer the law.
You didn't.
I am not the Chief Justice of Alabama. It's not my place to answer.
Well, I'm asking you, if you were Chief Justice of Alabama, would you follow Plessy versus Ferguson and Dred Scott when they were issued?
You follow the law of the land. That is what our nation is based on. That's what our nation is based on.
You can't answer it, can you, Chris?
Here's why. You cannot duck your responsibilities by putting them on me, Your Honor. They didn't elect me to be Chief Justice.
I'm not ducking my responsibilities. I will follow the law, sir.
So you'll allow gay marriage when it goes forward if it happens in June?
I said I will follow the law.
That will be the law.
If I can't follow what the Supreme Court, if I can't follow what the Supreme Court says, I'll recuse from the case.